Recently, Protolabs celebrated the opening of our brand new metal 3D printing facility. It's the latest addition to our 3D printing campus in North Carolina. The facility is the new home for more than 30 printers using direct metal laser sintering technology, or DMLS. It also offers a suite of post-processing technologies with room to grow as the applications for metal 3D printing continue to expand. Let's dive in and take a look behind the scenes of one of the largest facilities in the nation dedicated to metal additive manufacturing. By designing a facility specifically for metal 3D printing, we created efficiencies that allow us to build fully functional metal prototypes and production parts in 7 days or less. We offer a suite of GE additive printers capable of printing parts as small in size as millimeters all the way to large format printing. For example, our X-line printers can print parts bigger than 31 inches in length, allowing for larger light-weighted parts with complex designs. Printers are separated based on the materials used and divided by reactive and non-reactive metals for clear delineation and segmentation. Materials offered at the new facility include stainless steel, aluminum, Inconel, cobalt chrome, and titanium. After a part is finished printing, our experienced technicians move fast to remove parts from the build surface and hand them off to our post-processing staff. It's at this point where we can accommodate a wide variety of surface finish options, heat treatments, mechanical testing, and more. Also, there's an expanded metrology unit ensuring accurate parts. In the end, nearly 100,000 3D printed parts are produced every month. We hope you've enjoyed seeing how digital manufacturing is pushing metal 3D printing to new heights. If you'd like to see one of our facilities in person, just email or call customer service or your account representative. Visit protolabs.com to learn more and get started on your next 3D printing project.